Sprite krepšinio talentų finalas jau greitai.
5. Ne už kalnų. 4. Už kelių minučių. 3. Netrukus. 2.
Labai greitai.
1. Paskubėk. Jau!
Fresh Kid Z, Fresh Kid C, yes, Fresh Kid P, Fresh Kid T. Oh yeah, we back. Oh, and Zafoon, by the way. Yeah, Jones. Yeah. Chitty Bang, and we pretty much amazing. Can we hear your new song, please? I got you. Hey yo, I once was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems, when I get it, I'ma pile it up. Now I'm dope, want the bread we can toast. So fresh how we flow, everybody get their style from us. I once was a kid with the other little kids. Now I'm ripping up shows and the fans going wild with us. Tell mommy I'm sorry, this life is a party. I'm never growing up. Reminisce days of the innocence. Now it's Chitty Bang, Google me the images. Follow me, I'm the leader. And when I park cars, I don't pay for the meter. I remember I was younger as a kid, it was the best. I used to touch on all the pretty girls in recess. I'm at my peak, yes, I won't leave yet. Cereal style, cereal aisle, I need checks. I can make these rappers run like a hard drill. Rock band, show you how the guitar feel. And I can care less how y'all feel. I got a flow to make a bitch do a cartwheel. This is that good, just pump it and relax, bro. And you could get it free, don't worry about the tax, though. And Zafoon, thank you for the crack, but I play around Burgundy, I anchor on the track. Hey, like yo, I once was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems, when I get it, I'ma pile it up.
Let's get it started in here.
And the bass keeps running and running and running and running and running and in this context, there's no disrespect. So when I bust my rhyme, you break your necks. We got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect and let the rhythm affect to lose the inhibition. Follow your intuition, free your inner soul and break away from tradition. Cause when we be out, girl, it's pulling me out. You wouldn't believe how we wow shit out. We burn it till it's burned out, turn it till it's turned out. Act up from northwest, east side. Everybody, let's get into it. Get stupid, get it started, get it started, get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Yeah. Lose control of body and soul. Don't move too fast, people just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. Y'all hear about it? The P's will do it. Get started, get stupid. Don't worry about it, people will walk you through it.
Smagu, kad toks susidomėjimas yra krepšiniu ir kad vaikam yra kur išsilieti ir tokie turnyrai organizuojami, tai tikrai malonu matyti. Norėčiau palinkėti stiprybės, užsispyrimo ir tiksliai siekti savo tikslo, nenukrypti ir pasitikėti savimi.
Bus smagu, kaip sakant, vaikai daug sportuoja, treniruojas ir manau, kad ne vienas iš jų papildys Lietuvos rinktinę. Kad po pirmos nesėkmės ar kažko tai, kas nepavyksta, kad nenukabintų nosies, nenuleistų galvų ir kantriai siektų savo tikslo ir manau, kad viskas bus gerai. Daug yra svarbių elementų žaidžiant vienas prieš vieną, bet svarbiausia turbūt ta valia, užsispyrimas, noras laimėti ir kas daugiau. Geras fizinis pasiruošimas.
Iš tikrųjų, įspūdžiai labai geri. Labai net malonu, kad šiemet turnyro finalas, Sprite finalas 1-1 atsikėlė į Palangą ir tikrai malonu matyti, kad krepšinis labai populiarus. Pamenu, praeitais metais linkėjau daug stiprybės. Šiemet taip patgi palinkėčiau stiprybės ir nenusivilti, nenusisekus kažkam tai, ne? kažkas tai vis tiek vieną kartą sekasi, kitą kartą nesiseka, visi nori laimėti ir aišku, didelis noras ir atsinešimas darbui, manau, duoda gerų rezultatų. Jeigu ne dabar, ateity. Sprite.
Laisvė nuo troškulio.